Man, oh man, is it a nice day or what? It's about 50 degrees out here. But y'all, what's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly Martin, back with another daggone video. It sounds like a daggone echo, man. Man, I got so many things to do, so many things to tell y'all. It's gonna be an exciting week, man. Week and weekend. You know, but I say I got a few more subscribers coming on every day. Hey y'all, I am Grizzly Marty. Grizzly Marty is my name. That is Black Beauty. That's my Chrysler 300, and my little busted Mazda 3 right there. All right, but y'all, what y'all gonna see to the channel, man, you're gonna see a lot of cars. You're gonna see my car, the modding of my car, my 300, what you can do to your Mopar, you know, because you know it's team Mopar no car, you know. But like I said, I'm a fan of many cars and I love so many cars. But as you will see, pretty much almost every time when I start up a video, you're gonna see Black Beauty start up, man. Let's go ahead and get this cold start. Seem to get me. I don't know. They don't seem to get other cars really. Maybe God knows my car more. They always gonna get her. But yeah, this is Black Beauty, y'all. Let me go ahead and turn her on completely. Let me pop the hood too, so I can show y'all, man, what she look like underneath. If y'all know, my theme is black and orange. So I ain't go, you ain't gonna be doing all the work. I'm gonna do it too.
Yeah,
I'm being
whatever.
Alright, yeah. Alright, y'all. So I'm here at Charles' house, man. So we about to put on these side markers. So I think all you gotta do is just take them off. Just take them off, man. So we about to take off these clips. I'm gonna take off this side. He gonna do that side, and then yeah, we gonna get this done. Black Beauty is dirty right now because it's been raining, but now I don't think it's gonna rain all week, right? It ain't gonna rain.
Rain for the next 7 days.
Yeah, that's good. We don't need no rain. It's been raining and snowing and sleeting, all the type of stuff. So now we done with that. Let's get our shine on, keep our cars clean. Yeah, that's what time it is. Dang, this thing is really bad. I gotta get it re-dipped. This one's bad. I want to take this off. I want to take this one off. I don't know why this one did good. This one did good. Oh, what you got? On the motor? Ooh, you gonna swap it out? What you doing? Which one? Huh? Really? Oh no. Dang, I'm kind of disappointed in that. Dang, that looks sucky. All right, let me go back. Now let's get this work done. I'll figure it out later. Got that beautiful intake right there. Did my oil catch can. I still got some. Cause I haven't drove her really much in the snow stuff. I do not drive her and mess her up. I try to drive her and, you know, keep it clean. I got some things coming for Black Beauty, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Oh yeah, and if you're new to the channel, I got these 300 gang stickers, man. Hit me up on my IG. My IG is Grizzly Marty. All right, and you can get these for $10 if you have Cash App. All right. All right. But today, y'all, we are going to be changing something to the 300. We're going to be changing the side markers. So the side markers that I got, if y'all saw in the recent video, they are black. So it's going to match. It's going to be, you know, Black Beauty is just going to be a Black Beauty, man. She's going to be black and she's going to have the orange accents, man. So everything is going to be black and it's the LED. So it's not just gonna be a bulb that lights up right here. It's gonna light up all the way through. That's what I'm gonna have done to her. So like y'all already know, I usually do it myself or I head to my friend Charles' house. So that's what we about to do now. We about to go head up to Charles' house. We about to go get this work done. And it's not gonna take that long. Changing your side markers are fairly easy. So I'm gonna show you how to do it, and I'll probably do some time lapse and stuff like that. And just tell y'all, man. So I'm about to head up to Charles' house right now. We about to go get this done. See y'all in a few. You gonna be doing all the work. I'm gonna do it too. I'm be there.
Whatever.
All right, yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm here at Charles' house, man. So we about to put on these side markers. So I think all you gotta do is just take them off. Just take them off, man. So we about to take off these clips. I'm gonna take off this side. He gonna do that side, and then yeah, we gonna get this done. Black Beauty is dirty right now because it's been raining, but now I don't think it's gonna rain all week, right? It ain't gonna rain.
Rain for the next 7 days.
Yeah, that's good. We don't need no rain. It's been raining and snowing and sleeting, all the type of stuff. So now we done with that. Let's get our shine on, keep our cars clean. Yeah, that's what time it is. Dang, this thing is really bad. I gotta get it re-dipped. This one's bad. I want to take this off. I want to take this one off. I don't know why this one did good. This one did good.
I'll be having some content on that joint.
Oh, what you got? On the motor? Ooh, you gonna swap it out? What you doing? Which one? Huh?
Infinity.
Really? Oh no. Dang, I'm kind of disappointed in that. Dang, that looks sucky. All right, let me go back. Now let's get this work done. I'll figure it out later. All right, so what you have to do is you got to take these off. Right here, you got 1, 2, 3. You move this, and what you're gonna need, let me see if I can get a clear view because it's a big old glare. All right, there you go. You see that? You need a socket wrench, or you need a 5-star Allen wrench, whatever, you know, little socket thing. You get that, and then you have 2 screws to unscrew this, and then it'll be able to come off, and then you just change it. So that's all you have to do when you're doing this. It's really simple. It's not hard. So I think you can do it without it, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and take this part off, pull this back so I can actually get the screw and screw it out, and then I should be all right. It's dirty under here. 25. All right. Yeah, too small. I got it. Oh yeah, I ain't gonna mess up the paint. All right, there you go. Fell out. There it is. All right. Also, it's clipped like that. See? So you think it's gonna break, but it's not. All right. I remember that's what somebody said last time. So you see how everything is. Let me show y'all. Hope y'all get a clear view. All right, so you see how I'm caught dirty. I might spray that. So look like that. Real easy. What was it, 13 or 30?
T30.
All right, T30 for that. And then, or you can use the socket wrench, right?
T30.
That probably at 10?
Yeah, you can use a 10 socket or a T30 torch.
Yeah, and that's how I come out. Yeah, so I gotta unplug that.
Now you gotta take the torch out.
I gotta plug this too?
Yeah, you got torch.
I gotta do those. Oh, it's torque? So the next thing you do, you gotta get the other 5-star. Just the size right here. Hold on, see. It's clear. I don't know if we can get it clear. I ain't really got the focus joint on here. What you do is, alright, so what you do is you unscrew these with that. Unscrew the 2 things. Then you just take that off, alright? Alright, so this is what the old one looked like when you take it all the way out. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit just so it can be, you know, a little bit cleaner. So it's that one. Let me see. I think it's that one. Or it's this one. I think it's this one. This one seems bigger. Yeah, I think it's that one. Definitely that one. So you get to see the difference. You get to see the difference in these. So yeah, it's gonna be black. Put that joker on. Just like that, man. Just well. So I'm about to slap that thing on. All right, y'all, so I'm pretty much done with this one. All I gotta do is, you know, close up this part right here. But let me show you, and close up this part. Let me show y'all when I unlock it. Ooh, so you see how the LED strip goes all the way down. So that's what you're gonna see. You're gonna see the just more flush, man. You lock it, goes away. But I gotta keep my car locked because I'm here. But yeah, you know, it goes away when you turn your car on. You know, when you turn on the lights, this will shine, and it's gonna be the same way. So it's the red in the back and the orange in the front. Yes, sir. That looks amazing. Great choice, man. I'll put the link where I got them in the description, so y'all go ahead and check out the link. Got them from eBay, of course, but I think they were, I don't know if they were $50, $60, something like that, but it's well worth it. Real easy. See it turned off. There it go. All right, so now time to finish this up and move on to the next one. It's ready. Yeah. All right, so now this is what I didn't show y'all last time. You gotta unscrew this. So I'm doing the work today. You know, Charles ain't doing it all like he did the thermostat.
I'm in the background this time.
Yeah, in the background. So, all right, so that's one. So it's 2 screws that you gotta loosen. That's the other one. I like to get it like loose and I like twisted. I don't know what I'm talking. Got it. Yeah, that's why. So yeah, that's what the old one look like in the new one. All right, this the backside. Yeah, it's the backside. Cause it's going on like that. Yeah. So I just wipe it. Make sure it's clean. Just a little bit. Then you just reattach this one. It's easy. It's super easy. So it just plops in there. It's like it's super easy. Screw these joints back on. Alright, so this side back on. With this, it's working, look good. Got the LEDs going in. Yes, sir. Alright, I think it's good. So all you gotta do is press it back. Yeah, I don't like scratching my paint, so I use a microfiber towel. Easy. That's how you do it. Then you just screw everything back in, and then you done. So yeah, I think next time probably y'all see me, I'm gonna show y'all everything all at once. I'm not gonna really sugarcoat it. Keep on showing y'all the same thing back and back. You know, so I'm gonna just, yeah. So I did the 2 in the back, and I'll show y'all when I'm done with the last one in the front. So all right. All right, y'all, so I was halfway through it, but I'm gonna just tell y'all one thing I noticed about this one. So you have to once you take out all like these, let me see if I can get a clear view. I think this is clear. All right, once you take out all those, you have like a screw that goes right here, which is right here. You take that, all right, it cleared up. So once you take out that screw, which is a 10mm, you take that one out. Make sure you gotta pry this part and this part off, and even take the bolt off in this area. So once you take that, it doesn't really come off like all the way. So your best thing is to just bend this part back, and then you'll be able to get it. So now I'm about to take it off. So it's not hard at all. It just had to do a little bit more prying off with the different with the little plastic little, I don't know what they call it, plastic screws, plastic little plunge things. I don't know what they is, but yeah, that's all you got to do. And the front, I should be done with this in about 30 minutes. Knock this out. All right, Grizzly gang, so I got some bad news for the car. So unfortunately, right now is that one of the LED lights is not working. Let me go ahead and show y'all right now so y'all can just see everything. One of the LED lights is not working. So this one, I plugged it in. What happened? I turned on the light. It didn't want to flash. But I went ahead and tested the one I didn't install yet, and this one works, and this one works. I tried it a bunch of times, and so now I know it's not working. So I just hit up the person that I bought them from. So just waiting to get a reply back from them, and then hopefully I'll be able to get a LED light hopefully in the next week or so. But that's pretty much gonna be the end of the video, y'all. Kind of disappointed in that, but look at this. Let me show you how it's gonna look. I'm disappointed in that the front not, because I wanted to get it done. I wanted this to be done. I didn't have to worry about it. So what I wanted to do is just have it shining, because I got another thing that I'm getting done tomorrow, and it's gonna take some time. So look at how the LED lights is gonna look. Yeah, so these are the red ones in the back, and the orange ones are in the front. It's gonna look the same, but you know, it got the long line and stuff like that. So man, it was gonna look so good, man. It was gonna look good. So I'm about to put the old one back on and just put it back, the front back to what stock, and wait until they send me the next ones. Yeah, but Black Beauty, she doing all right, man. Ain't nothing special, bro. Just wanted to show y'all the install of the LED lights, the LED marker lights. Let me get that right. Didn't turn out that good. Hopefully we're gonna get a video about it though, man. But Black Beauty, she doing good, man. Hey man, I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out through these videos every daggone day, man. So yeah, always I appreciate y'all. Keep on commenting, keep on sharing, keep on doing whatever to these videos, man. Share these videos, like it, because the more likes I get, the more YouTube you know, shoots this video out for everybody to see. So I want everybody to see, man, while I'm doing great things to the 300 gang. All right. Ooh, voice crack a little bit. Well, all right, it's 300 gang, Chrysler gang all day, man. See you on the next one. Peace. So you already know I'm at the car wash, giving my baby a wash, man. She needed all type of bird poop on it, man. Man, if y'all get bird poop on your car, make sure y'all wash it off immediately, because bird poop. It's really acidy, you know, acidic. That's the word I want to say. Hey, I just got a new software on the drink. You see that? I think I'm gonna have to do it over again, because yeah, I know I gotta leave. I should have updated schedule, the update for it. But yeah, that's cool. I got a new update on that. Just waiting for this car wash to be done. Get this bird pool off my car, man, so I can be shining, because it's gonna be looking good, man. Got something planned for it tomorrow.